Desam demands government to sack the 8 teachers of Moirangpurel High School and Primary School for failing to comply the Education Department's transfer order. A staff of RS Transport alleges live threat from the younger brother of Forest Minister Shyam Kumar. People of Kunrakum constituency warn of daily protests until decision to relocate Impali's district hospital from Sagolmang is revoked. People observed the 127th funeral anniversary of freedom fighter Pauna Brajabasi today. And gold medalist weightlifters Saiko Mirabai Chanu and Kumukcham Sanjita Chanu received warm receptions today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. This is Joyce Srivusham bringing you primetime English news. Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur Desam demanded the government to oust 8 government teachers who have failed to comply the Education Department's transfer order on the pretext of personal issues. The 8 teachers were recently issued transfer order on March 22nd and April 9 to Moirangpurel High School and Moirangpurel Primary School as there are vacant posts at the schools. Out of the 8 teachers, 5 are posted at Moirangpurel High School, while 3 teachers are posted at Moirangpurel Primary School. Speaking to media persons at Desam office today, Secretary General of Desam, Sital Oinam, stated that it is utter negligence on the part of the teachers who only desire monthly salary but fail to perform their duties. He urged the authorities concerned to take appropriate actions against the 8 teachers and further warned the Education Department and the Education Minister of intense agitations if actions are not taken. There are only 7 teachers at Moirangpurel High School and only 1 at Moirangpurel Primary School at present. Sital urged to the relevant authorities to take immediate actions at the earliest.
Matik chadaba odasing asi ngasidagi paraga numit mangani gi manungda government na dismiss tawgodobani karigumba government na hairiba desamna thamiba numit mangani gi manungda thabaktagi dismiss tawdragadi masida thorakpa machigi daita education department amadi marilneba minister na pugodobani odasing asi ngasi desamga phaminara matungda makoina transfer chalamdriba makoi goiba wasi tajare makoina thamiba riposi yamna maram chadaba tonganba family ki problem na maram moiraga masaki health problem leibana sattabani haina yam laina khummi.
A staff of RS Transport dealing with betel leaves business has alleged that the younger brother of Forest Minister T.A. Shyam Kumar threatened him with a pistol last night around 11 p.m. The alleged victim, Daniel Wycombe, told media persons today in front of Betel Leaves Market in Gandhi Avenue that the incident occurred in the market yesterday night. He alleged that the younger brother of Minister Shyam Kumar, Ravi, along with the PRO of the minister, came in different cars and asked for transit passes, TP, and later took out a pistol and threatened to kill him during the confusion that ensued. Condemning the incident, RS Transporter staff and Betel Leaves retailers clubbed together at the Betel Leaves Market and staged a sit-in today. Transit pass for a bundle of betel leaves is 3,000 rupees. RS Transport ferries in at least 15,000 bundles of betel leaves in a month. One of the protesters cited anomalies in the TP amount collected from them and called for investigation. The staff protester maintains that the family members of the minister is not the authority at any level for interfering the business. A police report was filed at the city police station regarding the incident. Protesters at the sit-in chanted slogans for justice.
MLA Shyam Kumar gi manong pa Forest Mantri Shyam Kumar gi manong pa Rabi na manai da ma tawjeriba aibu mana aibu nomai number dudi ai ta semaki nungai badu thamoi sena ai thamoi sena nungai jade ado matungda simba thawdok se tho e haibadi laite tawriba thawdok do masina aroibu oigani haibadi thajade haidi power se aduki matik mohoida khudum challe haiduna moina kanna power ama sijna baside awi thamai sina ei nuai.
People of Kundrakpum constituency staged a sit-in at different parts of the constituency demanding the government to revoke the decision to shift Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang today. People of the constituency warned of staging the sit-in at different parts of the constituency until the government issues an order to construct the hospital at Sagolmang. People of the constituency staged a sit-in at Kundrakpum, Pangalba Community Hall, Sagolmang Patlo and Sagolmang Bazar. Various placards against the government's decision were displayed at the sit-ins. Taking part in the sit-in held at Kundrakpum, one protester, Soram Ibe said, construction of the district hospital at Sagolmang is the desire of the people of the constituency. She drew the attention of the government and the authority concerned to act according to the desire of the people and construct the hospital at Sagolmang at the earliest. On the other hand, Ibemu expressed disappointment at the post on social media sites which malign the image of MLA Kundrakpum when it is the authority concerned who has not responded to the demand of the people to construct the hospital even when the landowners are ready to provide their land for the construction. She appeals to the people to cooperate and join hands in the movement.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯀꯠꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯒꯦ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯨꯠꯇ ꯐꯦꯁꯕꯨꯛꯇ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡꯗ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯦꯝꯑꯦꯜꯑꯦꯅ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯃꯥ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯦꯗꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯗꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯅ ꯑꯦꯝꯑꯦꯜꯑꯦꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯦꯝꯑꯦꯜꯑꯦꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕꯣꯏꯀꯣꯠ ꯇꯧꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯜꯂꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯜ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯍꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯨꯠꯁꯝꯅꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯒ ꯇꯛꯁꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯒꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯐꯪꯗꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯌꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ 10ꯗꯒꯤꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯊꯤꯟꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯡ 3 ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯙꯔꯅꯥ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡ ꯐꯝꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯗꯥꯡꯗ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯁꯪꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯔꯦꯂꯤ ꯆꯠꯇꯕꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯒꯅꯤ.
Uyumpok Development Committee, UDC, Friends Union Club and Uyumpok Mairapaibi Uyumpok in a joint press release objected the shifting of the construction site for Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang. The press release further said the three organizations will support all initiatives for construction of the hospital at Sagolmang. Pari Imom Kanbalup Joint Action Committee Thanga Haislam Lekai organized a sit-in demanding befitted punishment for the alleged culprit from Thanga Haislam Lekai of raping a girl studying in class 9 at Children Model Academy School in Thanga Salam Lekai on February 13 this year. The protesters expressed discontentment at no pace in the case even after around 3 months of the incident and demanded justice for the victim at the earliest. Taking part at the sit-in, Secretary of Pari Imom Kanbalup JSC Thanga Haisnam Lekai, Haisnam Memcha urged not to conspire to scapegoat any innocent individual with regard to the incident at the instigation of some vested interest. She warned of intense agitations including burnt if forensic science report of the alleged culprit, who is at present kept in a juvenile home, is not produced by May 5. Employees of various government departments continued the agitation initiated by the Joint Administrative Council of Amtuk and MGO in demand for the implementation of the 7th Central Pay Commission in the state. Employees of the Forest Department staged a sit-in at the gate of the department's office in Sanjanthong today. The protesters affirmed to continue their agitation till their demand is met and further called on the government not to play delay tactics with them. Employees of Economics and Statistics Department Lamphel Part also staged a sit-in for the same. It may be mentioned that the indefinite cease work strike initiated by JSC of Amtuk and MGO in demand for the 7th Central Pay for government employees and pensioners has entered the 36th day. A team of Imphal East narcotic cell under the supervision of officer in charge Imphal East Excise Station KH Dev Kumar seized 40 litres of country liquor from two persons at Naharub Mayai Lekai last evening around 6. The arrested persons along with the seized items were handed over to Imphal East Excise Station. Officials of Excise Department along with Mairapaibi members of the locality destroyed the seized liquor by setting on fire today. The arrested persons are identified as Saikom Gope, 58 years, son of late Chauba, and Yalangbam Amarjit, 34 years, son of Surchandra from Naharub Mayai Lekai. The country liquors were seized during a joint drive by Mairapaibi members of Naharub Mayai Lekai and personnel of Imphal Narcotics Cell last evening. Two mobile handsets and accessories estimated to worth around 21,397 rupees have been reportedly stolen from SP Electronics Pauna Bazaar before payments. The salesman of the shop chased the miscreants but in vain. A complaint petition was filed at City Police Station for legal actions. CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham has urged beneficiaries under National Food Security Act who have not availed PDS items to intimate their respective local MLAs about the same. He stated that due to last year's incessant rains, there are backlogs in procuring PDS items under NAFSA. He said rice quota due for 6 months under the Act are still yet to be transported in the state. Karam Shah maintains that 23 lakh beneficiaries in the state are to be availed PDS items under NAFSA and enrollments are underway to cover the entire state. He was speaking at the inauguration of Laningtho Nongsaba Shanglen at Karam in Langthabal constituency today. The minister maintains that the state coalition government has attained over 1 year and he pledged no wrong politics as one of the cabinet members. Laningtho Nongsaba Shanglen was reconstructed with a total budget of around 22 lakh rupees. The temple, being a popular one, especially during Lai Harauba festival, was reconstructed to provide more space for devotees across the state. Devotees and local leaders in the constituency attended the event.
Manipur da cheng tangkalai je maruiba factor ani khak lai. Number 1, social welfare ki cheng je more than 6 months ki matak da cheng je ching thok tre. Chi cheng je praja da thatur kadamni yam grob method tol. Aduga akoina piri ba cheng je supply je only 20% kadane. Napsa ki cheng na piri si di kanau mana ran ti habis ta di kalak pa khamban ba yeng thi ba aduga politically victimized or bagi wakalo larakpanina karanchan keben PD minister warga Manipur da siang tangi haitana propaganda tawwa laita banati maramdi akoina piri ba siang ji samagi manungda 20% katane.
Dr. Suresh Center for Foreign Studies and Placement Kashamtong Laisom Lerag in a press release drew the attention of Chief Minister Biren for full removal of Armed Forces Special Powers Act from Manipur, considering that the law and order situation in the state has significantly improved over the past 5 years. It further mentioned that the act was lifted from 7 assembly segments of Greater Imphal in 2004. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the 127th funeral anniversary observance of freedom fighter Pauna Brajabashi today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. The 127th funeral anniversary of the freedom fighter Pauna Brajabashi, who sacrificed his life for the motherland in Anglo-Manipuri War of 1891, was held today. People at the observance held at Arapti Maninglekai, where the last rite of the freedom fighter was performed, offered a floral tribute to the portrait of Pauna Brajabashi. Speaking to media persons on the sidelines of the observance organized by Urup Arapti Development Coordinating Committee and Lifesavers Manipur and Heritage Cultural Foundation, Secretary of Lifesavers Manipur and Heritage Cultural Foundation, Konjam Oken, termed it unfortunate that the government still does not acknowledge the site where the last rites of the freedom fighter was performed. He appeals to the department concerned to look into the site and repair it at the earliest.
Maraiba Damak Tawaina Pota Oikraba, Adugumba, Major Pauna Brajabashi, Aroiba Matomang Pakiba, Rapti Maninglekai, Kaivan Hidi and Haina Kanama Masida, sahi chama ku tare chu phawda leingakna ngasi phawda miyeng sangdange ismaina kang kathang dano khatwa thambasi sinja langjari bu rati development coordinating committee gi maikai digi leingak ko haingai leitana koi waro poi athau ba marai ba ke kathokraba paunage sbumba mongpham masi government ni miyeng changani.
As observed across the world, the Pattern Information Center of Manipur Science and Technology Council, MASTEC, and National Institute of Electronic and Information Technology, NILIT, Imphal, jointly observed the World Intellectual Property Day 2018 on the theme, Powering Change in Women, Motivational and Creativity at the Hall of NILIT in Akampat today. The IPR cell of NILIT was also opened on the occasion. Speaking to media persons, Director of Manipur Science and Technology Council, MASTEC, T.H. Surendranath said the day is observed with an objective to promote and encourage the ideas, products and designs of innovators and inventors and to grant them patents if people use their ideas and designs. He also stated that the IPR cell of NILIT opened today will encourage the students to produce new designs and products.
2000 dagi hauna WIPO haina World Intellectual Property Organization Geneva da based of saigi WIPO si linkhat kiba numit ki World Intellectual Property Day si ekoi sei kuting pangthok tan lakpani World Intellectual Property Day pangthok pagi chap chab maram de ekoi inventor sing innovator sing si mo encourage tawa moina puthok po che sing jipo kon safeguard tawa po sing ki ekoi mapu na henba adugi IP registration se intellectual property rights protect tawna the patent poire design poire trademark poire copyright poire lairiba mayam si magi mapu amam lei haibadu misuse tawjana post judiciously season matam da ngasagi owner dugi haide guardian of the patent or guardian of the design guardian of the trademark lairiba mayam dugi mapu singdugi ayab yaltru karim season yade masi punishable oi haibadu mayam da khangan ba.
Cultural programs were held on the third day of the state-level Sirui Lili Festival 2018 at TNL Ground in Ukhrul today. Cultural troupes of Manipur University of Culture, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Kuki Culture Research Center and Gurkha Culture Dance Group performed at the cultural event. A cooking competition entitled She Chef Season 1 participated by 5 individuals drew the attention of the audience. Winner of the cooking competition will be awarded 50,000 rupees on the concluding day of the festival on April 28. Hijam Romani Memorial Trust has conferred the Hijam Romani Memorial Award 2018 to the writer, cultural activist and film critic R.K. Bidhur in connection with the first death anniversary of Hijam Romani Singh today. Speaker of Manipur Assembly, Yumnam Khemchan handed over the award, including a shawl, a citation and cash of 10,000 rupees to R.K. Bidhur. Speaking at the event, Khemchan expressed that Manipur has rich history with vibrant arts and culture. He said an assembly museum will soon be inaugurated to preserve and showcase the cultural heritage of the state. He said the old Assembly Secretariat building will be utilized for the State Assembly Museum after renovation. Yumnam Khemchan also assured to include the collection of books written by late Hijam Romani in the state archives at the earliest.
Museum की नत्रगा तोंगा political history और social history में आपसी एक कोई नहीं खंजे तो बनी ला अतो बचाना चाहना पा मार्ग लिखने मिली बा कोई भारत की संगाई लगा मारे में कहाँ वजह से कौशलगा बस कई तो सिगे तो अंताना जरा के साइड हम भी ना बता बल्कि आई वाला है सिंह दो बल्कि आर्काइव का लेने बल्कि बाबा मत हम बदली यहाँ करना लोग बदलता बनी ना हाई मत अदम प्रोसेस हो गया या थोड़ा मत अंदा within the week बदो सही करोगी assembly secretary बल्कि रिक्वायरमेंट बना अंदर
All Manipur Gauranga Lila and Sansenba Artists Association showcased Nupa Palla and Gauranga Lila today. The cultural event was organized by the association at Brahmapur Guru Aribam Laikai Mandop. Speaking at the event, former Art and Culture Commissioner IAS R.K. Nimai lamented that Manipur has many arts and culture artists, but there is a decline in the audience. He said few years ago, Ras Lila and Gauriya performances were witnessed by large crowds. R.K. Nimai called on to investigate why people of the state have changed their taste. He also said many cultural organizations are striving to develop and promote art forms of the state and to supplement. He further opines that the government should extend support or else all cultural art forms might extinct.
mayam cultural tanja sidani akoina yam kanna organization mayam cultural organization mayam no khonle bidana mut khidana bo tabiri se masiri sida khogi sarkar nasu mating pahum thui keno da akogi art khande sana bo khande chakhole myam se matam gi parba ningthau na support to bu hetu ne chakhole se wi democracy chalabni ningthau leitramni na ningthau gi mu se laiba wasai ba sarkar sana ningthau gi mu se sinbira kanda mating pangbiba support pibi basi chummi natragadi akogi art se adum sigani.
Lok Sabha member Dr. Thokchom Maina inaugurated the multi-purpose hall constructed under MP Local Area Development at Kumbom Bazaar today. Speaking at the event, Dr. Thokchom Maina lamented that he is unable to satisfy every localities by undertaking such developmental works as the inner parliamentary constituency covers altogether 32 assembly segments. The 23rd National Congress of the CPI kicked off at Yunus Convention Centre, AB Bardhan Nagar in Kerala's Kollam city today. 11 member states delegate team led by Secretary of CPI Manipur Unit Dr. M. Nara is participating at the Congress, which will conclude on April 29. A statewide peace rally on the theme Stop Discrimination Against Women was organized by Nandebam Tompok, son of Nandebam Ongbi Amitra Bala and Nandebam Ojit Kumar from Yumnam Patlo in Imphal East under Indian Women Against Crimes today. The rally was flagged off by Founder Secretary of the organization Robita Lema at Kangla around 10 this morning. Lions Club of Moray Border Town, Lions Club of Imphal Valley and Lions Club of Imphal jointly provided assistance to the fire victims of April 19 at Moray Ward number 4 Prem Nagar in Moray today. SP Technopal Dr. S. Ibomcha and members of the 3 Lions Club were present at the distribution of 100 kg of rice and 11,000 rupees each to every fire victim household of the incident. Now news from the world of sports. Youth Affairs and Sports Department accorded a warm reception for world weightlifting champion and gold medalist of the Commonwealth Games 2018, Saiko Mirabai Chanu at Kuman Lampak Sports Complex today. Weightlifter Saiko Mirabai is the daughter of S. Kriti and S. Tombi from Nongpok Kakching, whose sportsmanship has acclaimed various state, national and international recognition. She was able to create a new world record at the World Weightlifting Champion held in the USA from November 28 to December 5, 2017. Saiko Mirabai went on to be the first Indian to create another record and claim a gold medal in the 48 kg category of the weightlifting event at the Commonwealth Games 2018 at Gold Coast in Australia from April 4 to April 15. Mirabai studied class 12 from Biramangol College in Sawambung. She is professionally trained by weightlifting coach L. Anita Chanu. Director YAS IAS N. Praveen, Assistant Director YAS Tensubam Thauba, Vice President MOA GA Ibopishak and other eminent individuals attended the reception program.
Akhoi Manipur gi damakta amadi India gi damakta maming se chauna wangna thamge na khanta di akhoi khang bukan matai nupa orasu nupi da orasu na thongna khana khang bukan na sanamina si duga Manipur gi michat amadi India gi michat puba na bukan na honamina si duga khwaidagi maru oibadi ojaga gurubu akhoi mafam khudimakta matang khudimakta thamoni da chena ꯇꯣꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯅꯤꯡꯃꯈꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯖꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯪꯒꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯛꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯅꯤ
इंडिया की साई की डिप्यूटी डायरेक्टर जनरल संदीप प्रधान से मणिपुर लाम खुमल लंपाक सिगी टूरमा एवरी सेंटर्स मखै संग 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 समी वेट लिफ्टिंग सेंटर अदि बॉडी बिल्डिंग की सी मायम पुकने ये करीगनो मणिपुर दगी अफब सानर मैम थोलैबा कैदोरि मसी मुतान याम पुकना खने खेलो इंडिया मेगा सेंटर हाइदना स्टेट अमंग की मेगा सेंटर अमंग पीगनी हाइदना कोई मेगा सेंटर से कोई प्रपोज तौरे डिपार्टमेंट की साइट की कोइना गवर्नमेंट मुक तौगेन खंजरिसी नुमित खुदिंगी सिदा सानब लाक अंगाम खैसिदा टाइट नोमगी मान संगोम ग्लास अमा लफोय अमा येरुम अमा मसी पीबगी संग पैसादु स्टेट बजेट तगी मिट तौनबा कोई प्रपोजल तौसियना तौरी
The Railways announced monetary rewards to its 15 medal-winning athletes in the Gold Coast 2018 Commonwealth Games at a function organized by the Railway Sports Promotion in New Delhi today. Railways Minister Piyush Goyal announced 25 lakh rupees, 20 lakh rupees and 15 lakh rupees to those who have won gold, silver and bronze medals respectively in the Commonwealth Games. During the program, Mr. Goyal announced an immediate promotion to the officer rank for weightlifter Saiko Mirabai Chanu, who has bagged the gold in the 48 kg category in the Gold Coast Commonwealth Games. The minister also asked Railway Board Chairman Ashwini Lohani not to stop railway athletes who want to join other government institutions or public sector undertakings because of better opportunities. Railway athletes have contributed 15 medals to India's impressive 66 medal tally at the Gold Coast Commonwealth Games, which includes 10 golds, 1 silver and 4 bronze. On the other hand, Kumukcham Sanjita Chanu, daughter of K.H. Lukhoy and K.H. Takwon from Kakching Kunau, who bagged a gold at the recent Gold Coast Commonwealth Games, was also accorded a warm reception by Kuman Lampak Sai Special Area Game Center at the center's indoor stadium today. Boxing coach and Dronacharya Wardi, L. Ibomcha and other prominent members of the center attended the reception ceremony. It may be recalled that Kumukcham Sanjita Chanu bagged a gold medal at Commonwealth Games at Glasgow in Scotland in July 2014 in the 48 kg category in the weightlifting event. Sanjita earned another gold in the 53 kg category of the weightlifting event at Gold Coast in Commonwealth Games in Australia from April 4 to April 15 this year. Altogether, Sanjita Chanu lifted 195 kg, 85 kg in snatch and 110 kg in clean and jerk. Sanjita has studied up to class 12.
ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯒꯣꯜ 48 ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯒꯣꯜ ꯂꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ 53ꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯥꯗꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯩ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯡ ꯅꯥꯗꯅ ꯏꯟꯖꯨꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗ ꯗꯥꯎꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯒꯦꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯒꯣꯜ ꯂꯧꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯈꯟꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯟꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯒꯣꯜ ꯂꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯌꯣꯔ ꯂꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯔꯛꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯗꯤꯐꯦꯟꯗꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯈꯪꯗꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯤ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯌꯨꯛ ꯉꯟꯇꯥ ꯍꯧꯒꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯩ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯄꯨꯡ 4ꯗ ꯍꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯨꯡ 3 ꯃꯈꯥꯏ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯔꯁꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ
Taekwondo players of the Taekwondo Federation of Manipur will leave for Imphal for Assam to participate in the 3rd Goodwill Open National Taekwondo Championship tomorrow. The championship, organized by Assam Taekwondo Academy under the aegis of Korean Cultural Center, New Delhi, the Embassy of the Republic of Korea, will take place at Shivasagar Indoor Stadium in Assam from April 29 to April 30. A total of 36 Manipuri players, including 11 senior boys and girls, 6 cadet boys and girls, 13 sub-junior boys and 6 junior boys will take part in the championship. Home team Trao FC trashed Jamshedpur FC 5-0 in the Group C match of the ongoing 2nd Division I-League at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium today. Trao FC mostly played in an offensive mode, frequently attacking the opponent team's D box during the entire span of the match. Trao FC scored 5 goals effortlessly, taking advantage of the opening created by the midfielders of Jamshedpur FC. Right winger Ngangbam Naucha of Trao FC scored the first goal in the 8th minute, assisted by midfielder Lystrom Milan. In a similar manner, Ngangbam Naucha scored his second goal in the 26th minute when Lystrom Milan yet again assisted the goal in a long-range kick toward the D box. The third goal of Trau FC was scored by midfielder Lystra Milan, assisted by striker Prince Will Olarchi Emeka in the 40th minute. The fourth goal of Trau FC was netted by striker Reshang Mei Vashum, assisted by a corner kick from midfielder Angoksana in the 43rd minute, altogether scoring 4 before the end of the first half. In the second half of the match, Jamshedpur FC persevered to reciprocate the scores, however, was in vain against the formidable Trau FC midfielders and defenders. The last goal of Trau FC, scored by striker Prince Will Olarchi Emeka in the 56th minute, tallied to a total of 5 for Trau FC, rendering Jamshedpur FC a humiliating defeat. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Desam demands government to sack the 8 teachers of Moirangpurel High School and Primary School for failing to comply the Education Department's transfer order. A staff of RS Transport alleges life threat from the younger brother of Forest Minister Shyamkumar. People of Kundrakam constituency warn of daily protests until decision to relocate Imphal District Hospital from Sagol Mang is revoked. People observed the 127th funeral anniversary of freedom fighter Pauna Brajabashi today. And gold medalist weightlifters Saiko Mirabai Chanu and Kumukcham Sanjita Chanu received warm receptions today.